how's it? Welcome to the channel. Kid Showtime here, the hype beast bartender. And what I got right here, bam! It's that gingerbread latte, y'all. As you can see right here, we got a sugar and cinnamon rim. Inside, we got some gingerbread vodka. We got some milk. We got some coffee. And then we got some of this iced gingerbread latte mix right here, y'all. So it's just 4 ingredients inside. Who doesn't love gingerbread and who doesn't love a gingerbread latte, y'all? But a boozy gingerbread latte, y'all. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. Let's go.
I got you, baby. Anything you wanna do, I got you, baby.
So we're gonna put some cinnamon, followed by some sugar. Just give it a mix. Simple syrup. All right, so we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of this gingerbread vodka, followed by 1 ounce of this iced gingerbread. All right, followed by an ounce of coffee. All right, then followed by an ounce of milk. Pinch of that cinnamon sugar mix. Just throw that right in there. Oh. Oh yeah, the boozy gingerbread latte. So what you want to do is just lick the rim and then take it down, y'all. Mm. Oh yeah, this is delicious, y'all. You got the best of three right in this, y'all. So try it out. Let me know what y'all think. To the next one. Oh yeah.